Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to use referral code on Shein. So open up your Shein application right away and then click on the last option here which says me. So when you click on that option, you have to go ahead then scroll up to the side over here and then look for share and earn. So you click on share and earn. When you click on share and earn, go ahead and then wait for your Shein application to load. So for this case, you can see your referral code is over here. So just click on others over here. When you click on others, you can share your referral code with your friends on WhatsApp or Facebook or even messages. So take for instance, I want to share on WhatsApp. I'll click on the WhatsApp application like that. And then over here, you can see I have my friends over here. So I can choose who I want to share it with. For this case, I'll choose this person here, then click on send. When I click on send, I'll send this person the link, and that will be how to use the referral code on Shein. So guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet once again.